Good, y'all. This your boy Mac Shine. I'm back up on it again. I'm gonna go ahead and drop one more beat for y'all. So, I'm gonna drop one more beat, one more freestyle. Fuck with it one more time. Then after that, probably sometime next week or tomorrow, I'm gonna get right back on it with this new shit I'm working on. It's called Strippers or Rippers. So, if you're a stripper, you're getting paid. If you're a ripper, you're still getting paid. Don't be mad about it. Just either be a stripper or a ripper. Yeah. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers, Yeah. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers. If you a stripper, you better not hit my turf, man. A ripper better go get the money. Bring it back, man. To Mac Shine, the Mac plan. And even though I got it down with the strap plan, I keep a calico. To get calico with my clap hand. With a back man, with a tack man, with a hollow point tip, they stack man. With the 455, they call me who Mac Shine, I'm Pac-Man. Oh no, I'm out here stacking, but I'm out here really packing. The 455 with a Mossberg pump 187, click, clack, packing, backing, swacking, clacking. Strippers or rippers, they get it, hit it, they money, they fit it. Stay in this game, I'm with it. Bouncing to hoes and hoods, bouncing through goals and good. Boy, she get that dough, turn it into money. It's all good. Gotta flip the track, cause I'm named for May Mac. I'm called for May back. Rick Ross, he's made flat. Oh yeah, we in this game and we ballin' like them G's. I love the paper, rippers, gold D's, cheese. I gotta get it all, tell a bitch to go get it. I need to tell a hoe, really, she breaking fitted. Cause I be steady stacking papers and I'm counting G's. I need about 100 racks, I mean a stack of keys. Just so I can flip the track and get back on this mag. They call me who? M.A. Mac Shine, but I'm on that bag. With a hollow point tip, they can't stop me cause I'm off that Jipper G. But I'm off that hopper, tipper, sipper, sopper, go to me. Cause I've been riding, been creeping through the Maybach. Cause I've been riding, been creeping through the Maybach. Strippers or rippers, strippers or rippers, strippers or rippers, strippers or rippers, rippers, strippers or 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 rippers. A stripper take it off, she'll shake her ass for that dough. Need about 100 racks, 100 stacks, I gotta go. Strippers will go get that money, go get it fast. She'll shake her ass and take it off for 100 racks, sitting on the glass. Yeah, that's your boy Mac Shine, man. I'm back up on it again. So today's another day. So yeah, that was it right there. That shit is called Strippers or Rippers. Y'all know, y'all be looking out for it. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of features on it, so be looking out for it. Alright, I'm out. Deuces. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers. That's what it is, man. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers. Strippers or rippers. I'm out.